trailer that the boards need replacing on. And all the bolts that bolt them down to the frame are completely rusted, so they're not coming undone. So Troy's gonna try to use the tractor to pop the boards off. I think it's a 20-foot trailer, and you can see obviously the boards are in pretty bad shape. Be replaced. So we're gonna set you up somewhere and let you see. Probably do time lapse. This one is not even actually ours. We're doing this for a buddy, but just a little bit of investment replacing the boards and new bolts, and you got it. You got a new trailer. But now that he's got the boards off, he can pick them up with the grapple. And because they have bolts and stuff in them, he's going to take them way back there to the sawmill burn pile. And then I don't know what's next. We'll see what's next. Our days are really starting to warm up, like upper 80s, 90s already. So I'm going to get some more of this plastic off so that they can get more of a breeze going through the chicken house. I think I'm going to leave these two on for right now, because inside we've got that little pin for the new moms and new babies, and I'm afraid if I take this off, if it rains, we don't have much room in there, and I'm afraid they'll get wet. So I'm just going to leave those two on for now, but it's now opened all the way up. Took these off over here, so it's going to have, and I'll probably go inside because I put one right in there in between the two to help that, and I'll go and take that one off as well. So it'll just be a big breeze going through all of it. I brought my panels and my hardware up here to store in here. So it'll be ready for when winter comes. It's been very handy to have. And this little building, normally it gets really cluttered up with stuff. Of course, I haven't been doing a lot of woodworking lately, but now I think I'm going to take a break. It's gotten a little warm. Are you being a good helper, Cody? As you can see, he's got the fender wells and the inner liner on now. That's what he's welding on. He got the hitch all fixed. It was bent and broke off, and he got it straightened out and re-welded on there. I think he's going to remove this just because it doesn't work and they don't need it. So welded these D-rings on the sides for tie downs because the trailers don't really come with them. Update on the progress. Got some of the boards on. Got all the new lights. The tail lights here. And then the marker lights on the sides here. They're all new. And got the wiring, put it in some wire loom so it'll be protected. And it is an older trailer, so there's some, well, let me see if I can show you back here. It got kind of dented or something at some point. You can see how the bottom kind of curves. And so since that's where the boards go in, he's having a kind of a hard time getting them down in there. But I think our part is done. I say our. Troy did most of it. Got the gate put back on. That back part straightened out a little bit. All he's got left, he's screwing the boards down. And yeah. I think the owner's gonna paint it himself, I think is what I understood. So that should be it. Gotta put the license plate back on.